This is the first question in the recent Year 11 mock exam. Lots of people got it wrong. I think there was a lot of confusion because people interpreted this as being £7.20, even though it did say pence, and also many people were having problems with calculating percentage saving. So let's quickly do the question here. So first of all, we have to calculate the cost of running each bulb for 28 days. So there's 2 bulbs, there's a cost per day, 28 days. So let's do the first one, which is the CFL lamp, compact fluorescent lamp. So CFL, make it quite clear which one you're doing here. So CFL is going to be a cost of 28 times 7.2 pence. Now remember, it is pence, so let's just do a P there just to make it absolutely clear. 28, let's just restart. 28 times 7.2 gives us 201.6. Now remember, that's 201.6 pence. 201.6 pence. Now you could leave it like that, but it would be more conventional to round it up. Okay, let's do the LED exactly the same way. It's going to be 28 days again, this time at 0.48. Now lots of people came up with ridiculous numbers. Think about it, 28 days at just under half a pence, so it's going to be approximately 14 pence. So you should have an estimate on these. There are our 2 answers there. Then we have to work out the percentage saving. So that's the one that really caused lots of problems. Before we work out the percentage saving, let's work out the actual saving. So we can have 6.72 pence per day of saving, and then what is 6.72 pence as a percentage of the original price? So the saving percentage will be equal to the original times 100%. So about 6.72, the original cost is 7.2 times 100%. So 6.72 is already in my calculator, divided by 7.2, and then multiply that by 100. You can see it's 93%, but if you really insist, 93%. Okay, that's my percentage saving.